In this video I will show you an unboxing of an HDMI to micro HDMI cable. Coffee time before that. This cable I got it because of the camera we have now. It's Panasonic Lumix S5 and the HDMI port on it is micro HDMI. So this is for a camera HDMI A to D micro PG, whatever that is. I guess it's a standard Sencor brand, and 4K 1.5 meter SAV273-015. That's their product code. Most important here is that's written 4K and HDMI version 2.0, not 1.4. You really want to avoid the 1.4. 2.0 really is the way to go. Maybe 1.41 would work also, but I'm not sure. The price difference was very little between this one and another one that didn't have a clear specification of HDMI 2. I almost cut the cable here. Looks like you always have to be careful with this plastic wrapped packages, these sealed packages. The plastic can be pretty bad for your fingers. Make sure you don't injure yourself when you open these packages. Really, a knife like this is really the best way to open a package like this. This plastic shell. So yeah, that's the cable. Not too thick, which is pretty good actually. And connectors look pretty premium, I guess. I don't know how the connectors should look like for a more expensive cable, but this wasn't really expensive. It was a little bit more expensive than the cheapest cable, but because it's for the camera, I thought yeah, let's use a good one. Kind of, hopefully, markings on the cable from that cable tie. It's really wrapped very well. It's good to have the cable well made. I don't know about that, if how well made. I can't really see inside, and even if I did, I wouldn't really know. The only way to make sure it works is to test it. The connectors, they look pretty good actually. Some kind of gold-plated connections, so that's good. Gold plating always looks good. Even if it's not gold, if it looks like gold, it makes you feel better. So it must be doing something good at the HDMI gold-plated connections. No reinforcement there for the cable, but the cable is thick enough to really hold itself well. HDMI plus Ethernet. I didn't know that you could have Ethernet through the HDMI. Well, yeah, I guess it makes sense. You might have a device that you want to connect with one cable and it gets Ethernet and HDMI. I will use it with the Elgato Camlink 4K. Spoiler alert, it works perfectly with the Lumix S5.